Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on changing the plug-in filter on your Rowenta appliance. This detailed guide will help you perform the task step by step, ensuring your device runs smoothly for years to come. Let's gather the necessary tools first. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a wire cutter, and a replacement plug-in filter compatible with your Rowenta model. Start by unplugging the appliance from the wall socket to ensure safety. Now, locate the screws on the back of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws carefully. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back cover off. This will expose the internal wiring and the filter compartment. Before proceeding, take a moment to inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. Cleaning these areas can significantly improve your appliance's efficiency. Now, let's focus on changing the filter. Locate the old filter, which is usually secured by clips or screws. If it's held by screws, use your flathead screwdriver to remove them. If you notice any significant dirt buildup, this is a great opportunity to clean the area before installing the new filter. Once the old filter is removed, insert the new filter into the compartment. Ensure it fits snugly and is properly aligned. If you're unsure about the specifications, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you pick the right parts. Next, let's change the plug. Locate the old plug wires connected to the appliance. Use your wire cutter to carefully cut the wires, making sure to leave enough length to attach the new plug. Strip the ends of the wires to expose the copper strands. This will make connecting the new plug easier. Now, take your new plug and connect the wires. Typically, the plug will have color-coded terminals, black for live, white for neutral, and green or bare for ground. Connect the corresponding wires securely. Make sure there are no loose connections, as this can be a fire hazard. Once the new plug is attached, carefully replace the back cover of the appliance. Reinsert and tighten the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is secure to prevent any internal damage. Before you plug in your appliance, double-check your work. It's crucial to ensure that all screws are tightened and that there are no exposed wires. Remember, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. You can have your appliance serviced without the hassle of traveling or making phone calls. After verifying everything, plug the appliance back into the wall socket. Turn it on to test if everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We can provide you with a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect. That's it. You've successfully changed the plug-in filter on your Rowenta appliance. Regular maintenance like this can help extend the life of your device, improve performance, and save you money in the long run. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.